Have you ever walked into a room and looked at someone who seems to have everything under control? They don't speak too much. They don't need to show off, but their presence screams power. What's their secret? It's not money, it's not talent, it's not luck, it's discipline. See, the brutal truth is, motivation can give you a spark, but only discipline builds the fire. Most people think motivation is enough. They wait for that right moment. They say, I'll start studying when I feel ready. I'll go to the gym when I feel motivated. I'll change my life when the timing is perfect. But here's the reality. That perfect moment never comes. Motivation is like the weather. It changes every day. But discipline? Discipline is like the sun. It rises every single morning, whether you feel like it or not. The people you admire, the ones who achieve greatness, they are not always motivated. They are simply disciplined. Discipline means doing what you said you would do long after your mood has left. It's waking up when the alarm rings, not when you feel like it. It's pushing through the workout, even when your muscles scream stop. It's choosing books over endless scrolling and growth over comfort. Now let me give you 5 subtle but powerful habits that can turn you into a disciplined machine. Number 1, the 2-minute rule. When your brain resists, tell yourself just 2 minutes. 2 minutes of study, 2 minutes of writing, 2 minutes of workout. Because the hardest part is starting. Once you start, your brain adapts. Action kills procrastination. So don't wait for the perfect plan. Don't wait for the perfect mood. Just start 2 minutes at a time. Number 2, make pain your partner. Discipline means being friends with discomfort. Growth never comes from comfort. The gym burns. Waking up early hurts. Saying no to temptations feels heavy. But pain is not the enemy. Pain is proof you're moving forward. Pain is temporary. Regret is forever. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you're telling your future self, I've got your back. Number 3, build rituals, not excuses. Champions don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. If you wake up at a different time every day, your mind stays confused. But if you set a fixed wake-up time, your body adapts. If you keep saying, I'll work out when I feel like it, you'll never show up. But if you have a set schedule, your body shows up automatically. Discipline is not about being perfect. It's about creating simple rituals. Wake up, hydrate, train, study, repeat. When your rituals control you,
Excuses can't. Number 4, reward after resistance. Most people do it wrong. They chase dopamine first, scrolling, gaming, junk food, and then they feel guilty. The disciplined ones, they flip the script. Work first, reward later. You want to scroll? Fine, but finish your workout first. You want to eat your favorite food? Good, but after you've done your study session. This simple shift trains your brain. Pleasure must be earned, and when you earn it, you enjoy it guilt-free. Number 5, discipline is freedom. It sounds strange, right? But it's true. When you control your actions, you free yourself from laziness, from chaos, from regret. A disciplined person enjoys life more deeply because he knows he earned every bit of it. There is no shame, no guilt, no what if. Discipline is not a prison. It is the key to freedom. So now the real question is not, do you want success? Everyone wants it. The real question is, are you willing to stay disciplined when no one is watching? Because success doesn't come to the loud ones. It comes to the consistent ones. To the person who wakes up and works, even on the days nobody claps. So remember this, discipline is not punishment. It's the bridge between who you are now and who you are meant to be. Build discipline, build yourself, and the world will have no choice but to respect you. If you want more dark, powerful, life-changing videos like this, then this channel is made for you. Subscribe now and don't miss the next step in your transformation.